Mastercam Design 2. Please subscribe my channel for more content. Go to the Wireframe tab. Select Sphere from Simple Group. Mention the radius. Start angle, end angle. Click OK. Right-click then select right plane. Go to the Wireframe tab, select Circle Center Point. Mention the radius. Use Selection toolbar to place the circle in the desired position. After placing the circle in the desired position, click OK. Go to the Solid tab, select Extrude, select the chain. Select Cut Body in Operation Type, tick on both direction. Mention the distance 1.5 mm. Click OK. Right-click select right plane. In Level Manager, hide the solid level. Right-click. Select Front Plane. From Wireframe tab, select Project. Select the chain. Mention the distance 1 in positive direction, another 1 in negative direction. Unhide the solid level. Go the Solid tab, select Extrude. Select the first chain. Untick both direction. Change the direction. Mention the extrude cut distance. Same you repeat for another chain. Right-click. Select Bottom Plane. Go to the Wireframe tab. Select Circle Center Point. Mention the diameter. Place the circle in the desired position using Selection toolbar. Again make 5 mm circle in same position drawn previously. Go to the Solid tab, select Extrude, select the 2.5 mm circle to cut the body. Go to the Wireframe tab, select Project, select the 5 mm circle. Mention the projection distance. Change the view to Wireframe. Go to the Solid tab, select Extrude, select the 5 mm circle chain. Right-click select right plane. Go to the Wireframe tab. Select Circle Center Point. Change view to wireframe. Place 5 mm circle in desired position using selection toolbar. Go to the Solid tab. Select Extrude Cut in both direction. Using Level Manager, hide the wireframes. Now our model is ready. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more content.